Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your ringtone to a song on iPhone. So in order to do so, first of all launch settings on your iPhone, then over here tap on the option of Sounds and Haptics. Now once you come here, tap on the option of ringtone. Now over here you can see your selected ringtone, or if you scroll down below you can see other various ringtones. Now to set a song as your ringtone, tap on the option of Tone Store. Then you will be led to this page. You can see various featured songs, or if you wish to, you can also search for certain songs according to your choice. Now over here you can see certain payment amounts given right beside every songs, which means that you would need to purchase these songs in order to keep a song as your ringtone on iPhone. And this is it for today's video. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.